Hello students. In this video we are going to learn a new topic from the chapter polynomials, that is two type of theorem, remainder theorem and factor theorem. And based on that we are going to solve practice set 3.5. So let's start. Okay, so remainder theorem. If polynomial p of x is divided by x plus a, then the remainder is p of minus a. So here theorem statement is if polynomial is p of x and divided by x plus a, then the remainder is p of minus a. Similarly, for the factor theorem, if p of x be a polynomial and a be a real number, then x minus a is a factor of p of x if remainder p of a equal to 0. सो यहाँ पे हम लोग के लिए रिमाइंडर थियर में क्या बोला है कि p ऑफ x इज़ अ पॉलिनॉमियल एंड वहाँ पे x प्लस a इज़ अ डिवाइज़र, सॉरी यस डिवाइज़र, देन उसका रिमाइंडर कितना होगा p ऑफ माइनस a. सो हियर p ऑफ माइनस वे ए वैल्यू इसमें अगर डालेंगे ना तो वो वैल्यू जो आएगा दैट इज द रिमाइंडर ऑफ दैट पॉलिनॉमियल. फैक्टर थियरम में इफ़ p ऑफ x इज़ अ पॉलिनॉमियल एंड a इज़ अ रियल नंबर एंड उसमें हमें फैक्टर x माइनस a मिला, देन p ऑफ a इक्वल टू 0. अगर ये डालेंगे इन द प्लेस ऑफ x, इफ़ वी पुट द वैल्यू a, अगर हम लोगों को रिमाइंडर 0 मिला, देन दैट फैक्टर इज़ रियल फैक्टर फॉर दैट पॉलिनॉमियल. वो पॉलिनॉमियल का फैक्टर वो है कि नहीं फाइंड आउट करने के लिए अगर वहाँ पे हम लोग को रिमाइंडर क्या आना चाहिए 0. अगर रिमाइंडर 0 आया देन दैट इज़ द फैक्टर ऑफ गिवन पॉलिनॉमियल. पहले इसमें डिवाइड करेंगे तो हम लोग को रिमाइंडर पी ऑफ माइनस ए आना चाहिए. सो पी ऑफ माइनस ए वैल्यू जो डालेंगे वो, एंड हियर इन दिस वन, सो हम लोगों को अगर रिमाइंडर 0 मिला देन वी कैन easily says that term is a factor of the given polynomial. So based on this we are going to solve practice set 3.5. So let's start this one. So first question here, find the value of polynomial that is 2x minus 2x cube plus 7 using the given value for x. So here they gave a polynomial, but यहाँ पे x के लिए वैल्यू दिया है, वो x का वैल्यू डालना है and we have to find the value for that x. So here solution for the first one, when x equal to 3, so solution is consider p of x equal to पॉलिनॉमियल. पहले हम लोग यहाँ पे डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखना है. सो -2x³ plus 2x plus 7, and now we have to put the value of x equal to 3. So put x equal to 3, then p of 3 equal to -2 into 3 cube plus 2 into 3 plus 7. So here -2 into 27 plus 2 3s are 6 plus 7. So it becomes, so -2 into 27 it gives -54 plus 7 plus 6 it gives 13. So answer is -41. So this is the value for p of 3. If consider second one, if value x equal to -1, जहाँ पे भी x है वहाँ पे हम लोगों को डालना है -1. सो p ऑफ x इक्वल टू गिवन पॉलिनॉमियल, सो -2x³ plus 2x plus 7. सो हियर -2 ऑफ 1 क्यूब, x के जगह -1 डालना है, प्लस 2 इंटू -1 प्लस 7. So here -1 whole cube is -1 itself. So minus into minus plus. So 2 into 1 2. Here plus into minus, minus 2 plus 7. So here what happens, this plus 2 and minus 2 cancels. So P of minus 1 equal to 7. So it completes our second one. Next, third question, P of 0. So here solution, P of x equal to minus 2x cube plus 2x plus 7. So put x equal to 0. So P of 0 equal to minus 2 into 0 cube plus 2 into 0 plus 7. So it becomes 0 plus 0 plus 7. So anything multiply with 0, it gives 0. So similarly here, so P of 0 equal to 7. So this is the answer for question number 3. So these three are the sub question of the first one. Next we are going to find the second question. Second question is, for each of the following polynomials find p of 1, p of 0 and p of minus 2. यहाँ पे p of x ऑलरेडी दिया है, तो उसमें x के जगह या p of y दिया है, सो वहाँ पे वेरिएबल के जगह हम लोग को 1 डाल के देखना है, 0 डाल के देखना है एंड माइनस 2 डाल के देखना है. सो व्हाट इज द आंसर? सो फर्स्ट वन, p of x इक्वल टू x क्यूब. सो फर्स्ट p of x equal to x cube. So p of 1 it becomes, x के जगह 1 डालना है, 1 cube equal to 1 itself. p of 0, so x के जगह 0 डालो, so 0 power 3 is 0 itself. And p of minus 2, so minus 2 whole cube. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus, again it becomes minus. So 2 cube is minus 8. So this is the answer for the first question. Similarly, we have to find the second one, p of y equal to y square minus 2y plus 5. यहाँ पे y के जगह हमें 1, 0 and minus 2 डालना है एंड उसका आंसर फाइंड आउट करना है. सो सोल्यूशन इज p of 1 equal to 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 5. So it becomes 1 minus 2 plus 5. So it becomes 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. So p of 1 equal to 4. Similarly, p of 0. So in the place of y, put 0. So 0 square minus 2 into 0 plus 5. So both the term becomes 0 and the remaining is plus 5. So p of 0 equal to 5. And third one, p of minus 2. So here minus 2 whole square minus 2 into minus 2 plus 5. So it becomes minus 2 whole square is 4. So minus into minus it becomes plus, and 2 square is 4. So minus into minus it becomes plus, 2 into 2 4 plus 5. So 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 5 it becomes 13. So here p of minus 2 equal to 13. So it completes our question number sub question 2 of the second one. Next move on to the sub question 3, where p of x equal to x to the power 4 minus 2x square minus x. So here solution, in the place of x put p of 1. So 1 to the power 4 minus 2 into 1 square minus 1. So here it becomes 1 minus 2 minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancels and it becomes minus 2. Similarly, p of 0. So it becomes 0 to the power 4 minus 2 into 0 whole square minus 0. So it becomes 0 itself. So हर जगह 0 ही होगा, तो आंसर इज 0. And the third one, p of minus 2. So here minus 2 to the power 4 minus 2 into 2 minus 2 to the power 2 minus of minus 2. So यहाँ पे minus 4 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो प्लस आएगा. So 2 to the power 4, so 16. So here minus square is minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. 2 square is 4, 4 2 is 8, minus into minus plus 2 equal to 18 minus or plus 18 minus 18 equal 8 equal to 10. This is p of minus 2. So it completes third one. Sub question third. Okay, question number 3. If the value of the polynomial m cube plus 2m plus a is 12 for m is equal to 2, then find the value of a. So p of m is given. So if m is equal to 2, p of m or p of 2 equal to 12 already given. उसको यूज़ करके हमें उसका आंसर फाइंड आउट करना है. So here solution. So consider p of m is equal to m cube plus 2m plus a. So here when m is equal to 2, p of 2 is equal to 12 already given. So here p of 2 equal to 2 cube plus 2 into 2 plus a. So p of 2 already given, that is 12. So 12 equal to 2 cube is 8 plus 2 2 is a 4 plus a. So here 12 equal to 8 plus 4 is 12 plus a. Now keep this a as it is and take this 12 to this side. So a is equal to 12 minus 12, which is equal to 0. So a is equal to 0. Therefore we can write the value of a is 0. Clear? So here we have to take this, because यहाँ पे m term में है, so we have to take this p of m as this one. So already they are given. इसका polynomial का value is 12 when m is equal to 2. अगर m is equal to 2 is p of 2 and put the m in the place of m, everything is 2. So p of 2 already is given, that is 12. So substitute and find the value of a. So here value of a equal to 0. So it completes our question number 3. Next move on to the question number 4. Question number 4. For the polynomial mx square minus 2x plus 3, if p of minus 1 equal to 7, find the value of m. So यहाँ पे m क्या है वो find out करना है. So here solution same as previous. Consider p of x equal to mx square minus 2x plus 3. When or put m is equal to, x equal to minus 1, then p of minus 1 equal to 7, because already it is given. Now put the value of x equal to minus 1. So p of minus 1 equal to m into minus 1 whole square minus 2 into minus 1 plus 3. So p of minus 1 is 7. So 7 equal to minus 1 whole square is plus 1. So 1 into m, minus into minus plus, plus 2 plus 3. So 7 equal to m plus 5. So m is equal to 7 minus 5. Take this 5 to this side. So here m equal to 2. So this is the value for m. The value of m is 2. So it completes our question number 4. Next, move on to the question number 5. So here in this question number 5, there are 3 sub questions are there. So it is based on the remainder theorem and we have to find the remainder by using the factor theorem. So first one is, so divide the first polynomial by the second polynomial. यहाँ पे first polynomial को second polynomial से divide करना है and remainder find by using the factor theorem. So first one is x square minus 7x plus 9 and which is divided by x plus 1. So कैसे factor theorem use करना है? So solution here, consider p of x equal to x square minus 7x plus 9 and here divisor equal to x plus 1. So here x plus 1 है तो we have to put x equal to plus 1 का इस तरफ लेके आएंगे तो क्या होगा minus 1. So we have to put in the place of x that is minus 1. So put x equal to minus 1 in p of x. So ये इक्वेशन में डालना है and we have to find the value of p of minus 1. Therefore p of minus 1 equal to, so minus 1 whole square minus 7 into minus 1 plus 9. So here it becomes minus 1 whole square is 1. So minus into minus plus 7 plus 9. So it becomes 1 plus 7 that is 8. 8 plus 9 that is 17. So p of minus 1 is 17. So which is equal to remainder. So here remainder equal to 17. So here p of x m कुछ भी है वो दिया रहता है एंड डिवाइज़र दिया रहता है. डिवाइज़र में अगर प्लस है तो उसको माइनस लेना है, अगर माइनस है तो उसको प्लस में लेना है. So by using that we have to find the remainder, that is here p of minus 1 equal to 17. So it completes first question in the 5. Next, second one. So second question is 2x cube minus 2x square plus ax minus a, which is divided by x minus a. So here solution, p of x equal to 2x cube minus 2x square plus ax minus a, and the divisor equal to x minus a. So take this minus a to this side. So x equal to plus a. So here we have to put x equal to a in p of x. So in the p of x, wherever x is there, we have to put the value of a. So p of a equal to 2 into a cube minus 2 into a square plus a into a minus a. So here it becomes 2a cube minus 2a square plus a square minus a. So here 2a cube as it is. So here minus 2a square plus a square, it becomes minus a square minus a. So p of a equal to 2a cube minus a square minus a. So here remainder is equal to p of a, which is equal to 2a cube minus a square minus a. So it completes our question number 2. Next, move on to the question number 3. So here question is 54m cube plus 18m square minus 27m plus 5, and it is divided by m minus 3. So here solution, p of m is equal to 54m cube plus 18m square minus 27m plus 5, and the divisor or divisor equal to m minus 3. So put m is equal to 3. So put m is equal to 3 in p of m. So in the place of m we have to put 3. So p of 3 equal to 54 into 3 cube plus 18 into 3 square minus 27 into 3 plus 5. So 54 into 3 cube is 27. So plus 18 into 3 square is 9 minus 27 into 3 plus 5. So here, which is equal to 54 into 27, it gives the value 1458 plus 18 into 9, 162 minus 27 into 3, that is 81 plus 5. So here, which is equal to, add these three number, then minus that 81 from that number. So 8 to 10, 10, 15. So 6, 6, 12. 4, 1, 5, 6. So 1625 minus 81. So here it becomes 1, 5, 4, 4. So P of 3 equal to 1544. Therefore remainder is 1544. So remainder, which is equal to P of 3, which is equal to 1544. So it completes our question number 3 from the question 5. Next, question number 6. If the polynomial y cube minus 5y square plus 7y plus m is divided by y plus 2 and the remainder is 50, then find the value of Vm. यहाँ पे p of y is given, divisor is given, and the value of remainder is given. By using these three, we have to find the value of m. So here, solution, let's consider p of y equal to y cube minus 5y square plus 7y plus m, and here divisor or divisor equal to y plus 2. So here we have to put y equal to plus 2 इस तरफ लेके जाएंगे तो क्या होगा minus 2. Now, or therefore y equal to minus 2. Now put y equal to minus 2 in p of y. So here p of minus 2 equal to minus 2 whole cube minus 5 into minus 2 whole square plus 7 into minus 2 plus m. So already they are given remainder, that is p of minus 2 equal to 50. So here, and p of minus 2 equal to 50, which is already given. So 50 equal to 2 cube is 8. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus, it becomes minus. So here 2 square is 4. So minus 5 into 4 minus 7 2s are 14 plus m. So here 50 equal to minus 8 minus 20 minus 14 plus m. So 50 equal to minus 20 34 34 40 42 plus m. Now keep this m as it is and take this 42 this side. So 50 plus 42. So m is equal to 92. Therefore, the value of m is 92. So it completes question number 6 of practice set 3.5. So in the next video we are going to learn the remaining question number 7 to 13, how to solve this question number 7 to 13 by using factor theorem and remainder theorem. So let's meet in our next video.